Here we are going to discuss a question on ratios, and we're going to apply what you call a four-step process. The four steps are, you begin with what you call a labeling ratio, words or letters. The second step, a complete ratio with two numbers. Now, the complete ratio must be information that was provided to you. Okay. Then the third ratio now is an incomplete ratio. The third step is an incomplete ratio with a number and a letter from the problem. All right, what they're asking from you. So that's what you use now to formulate the incomplete ratio. And then the fourth step now, you cross multiply and divide. Now you always divide by the number that is diagonally away from the letter. Okay?
Yes.
Now here we have an example. It says a map is using a scale of 1 to 500,000. So this will form our complete ratio. This is the information that will form our complete ratio. Now it says, now here's the problem now. If the actual distance between two tongues on the ground is 15 kilometers, what is the distance between the two tongues on the map? So our labeling ratio now is map and actual distance, or actual distance to map. Okay, so we prefer map to actual distance. So that will form our our labeling ratio. Now the complete ratio now is the 1 to 500,000. Now this is in centimeters. Now the third ratio now is a number and a letter, and that must come from the problem. Now when we look at the problem, it is asking us for the distance on the map. So our letter will come on the map, and the number they give us now is 15, but it's 15 kilometers. And our complete ratio is in centimeters. So we have another task now to convert 15 kilometers to centimeters. So that's like another ratio problem. We're going to use ratios to complete 15 kilometers to centimeters. So we start with our labeling ratio, kilometers to centimeters. Our complete ratio is 1 kilometer will give you 100,000 centimeters. So 1 to 100,000. Now the incomplete ratio is the problem, which is the 15. The 15 will come under kilometers, and we want to convert 15 now to centimeters. So X will come under centimeters. And then we cross multiply and divide, so we have to divide by 1. So it's 15 times 100,000 divided by 1 will give us 1,500,000 centimeters. So that is the actual distance. And this 1,500 centimeters now will come on the actual distance. And now we proceed now with X on the map. And then we're going to cross multiply and divide again. We're dividing by 500,000 because you always have to divide by the number diagonally away from the letter. And then now we have 1 times 1,500,000 divided by 500,000. And this will give us 3 centimeters on the map.
Yes.